Hello, today I'm going to show you how to create some polls in your chat while you are doing your lesson. These are great ways to do quick assessment or just kind of gauging where your students are feeling that day. If you notice, I am actually on the Teams website instead of the Teams app, because if you're on the Teams app, you're actually not able to upload these on chat. So if you decide you want to take a poll that day, you might want to go on the Teams website to do your meeting with your students. Let's go to show our conversation on here. You're going to reply. And with the 3 ellipses, I'm going to create a poll. So there's a difference between a poll and a form. So let's just say, how are you today? How are you feeling today? And choice 1 is sad. Choice 2 is happy. And you could keep adding more. And you're going to insert that. Once you insert that, you're going to send it. And that's kind of on the spot right here. And the people in the chat would just be sad, submit vote, happy, submit vote, okay, submit vote. This is actually a poll, just kind of gauging where your students are at in the. And this is also an interactive thing too as well, I would use as. Then another one way you could do is your forms. And let's just say you create a form right on the spot. You just go, question is, could be the same thing. How are you feeling? Okay, sad, mad, tired. And you can allow multiple answers as well if you want. And then you're going to click next. And you're going to send it off. And you are done. So these are actually just quick, almost like a break for students to see if they're gauging where they're at. Thank you.